Now you need some assistance from your jumper. Grab the infusion line and hand over the entire infusion line and let the jumper do the installation. For the installation, you connect the cassette system here on the short tube by removing the cover. Okay. Put the drop chamber to the BSS bottle and ensure that the valve is always showing downwards. Hang up the bottle and fill the drop chamber approx 50%. Here we go. Hand over the drainage bag to your jumper and let him install the bag. First, hang on the bag on the two black hooks with the tubing upwards, and finally connect the tubings and ensure that the clamp remains open.